check out for the eyesight I've got. Hey, don't need this. Come on, let's go, bro. Let's go. How you taught me to drive? Watch me go now. Hey. Hey, please, don't talk. Oh, you're helping me. Good, keep it going. Cause it's Good Friday. And you know what? You up getting rid of all the coppers. Let's go. Let's go. I'm enraged. I'm Jesus. I'm descendant of God. And you lock me up. Watch this. You think I'm strong? Wait until you meet my of him, because ultimately he'll give her an ultimatum: either listen to Gavin, Mum, or you're gonna go to hell, and he'll disown you, and so will I. But it's now grandma's, the rightful ones, how it's meant to be. Watch this. Watch me go. You. Watch this now. I'm getting stronger and stronger by the second. Woohoo! Woohoo! Woo! Technology. No one can use it like me, because I invented the. Where do you think it comes from? Me! Watch. Yeah. Technology.
Yeah, 3-3, air priority. Right, gardens. See what little bit of stick like try and stop this car before there's any more damage. More gardens! Hands up! Hands up! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! This way! This side! I'll get him out! This side! I'll get him out!
Oh no!
Get rid of that! Get rid of that! Do not move! Do not move! Get him up! Get him out! Get him down!